Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today we're going to be talking about a financial reset. If you're watching this, you're probably here for the same reason I am. Not because everything went perfectly last year, but because it didn't. Today I'm working on my 2026 financial reset. No pressure, no guilt, just getting back to basics, one small habit at a time. As I color in another row of my savings challenge, I'm saving $115 today. Nothing flashy, just progress. A reset doesn't mean you failed, it just means you're choosing to pause, look at the numbers, and move forward differently. Now, for me, last year had an unexpected tax bill, a huge car repair, and sometimes where savings almost felt like it was impossible, I just had to push on. But the key word is I had to push on. Despite it all, I continued to show up for myself by doubling down on my savings. That's why I'm here with a coloring page and colored pencils, because I want you to stay motivated. I'm here to remind you to save no matter what. This savings challenge works because it removes the overwhelm. I don't have to decide everything at once. I just show up, color one row, and count the money and ultimately transfer the money. Today's amount is $115, and as I color this row in, I'm reminding myself consistency matters more than perfection. So, back to the basics for me means knowing where my money is going, saving before I spend, and choosing habits I can actually stick to. This isn't about deprivation, but it is about control. And honestly, coloring while I talk through it slows everything down, which is something my finances need. So let's talk about the $115. So it's currently the weekend, and this money could have disappeared into small spending without me even noticing it. And now I'm coloring this row to make it visual, because seeing progress makes it real. Now, a couple of things I do want to talk about. It's never too late to put yourself first. When you get paid, I want you to think about your savings. If you get a gift, I want you to think about your savings. If you eliminate a subscription from your budget, use a coupon, stretch an oil change, unplug a space heater, unplug a microwave, or unplug a phone charger, I want you to think about your savings. If you forego an unnecessary trip, consolidate trips, let an item sit in an online cart like Amazon, drive your car for as long as possible, and hang on to the iPhone a little bit longer, I want you to think about the savings. It's all of those little habits. You don't need a perfect budget. You don't even need a super high income. You just need a starting point, whether that's $10, $25, or $115 like today. It all counts. This is why small habits win. They don't rely on motivation. They don't require a perfect month. They work even when life is messy. One row, one transfer, one decision at a time. That's what this 2026 financial reset looks like for me. If you want to try this with me, I've linked the Savings Challenge coloring book I'm using below. You don't have to start big, but you do need to start. Don't forget about increasing that income too. Finish that degree, get a certification, go for the promotion, change jobs, get a job, get a second job, or start that business, or even start your social media channel. And if this video helped you feel less alone with your money, go ahead and like it, go ahead and comment, and of course, I want you to subscribe. You can also share it with somebody else so that it reaches them if they need a reset too. All right, so this row is halfway colored, so I'm going to wrap this video up. So back to the basics. You want to get back to consistency, and you want to get back to believing that small steps really do add up. A lot of times we see people making big, lofty moves, and they reach big, lofty goals. And it's not the big, lofty things always. Sometimes it's those itty bitty steps. So take this one step at a time, $1 at a time, one decision at a time, one savings at a time, And before you know it, you'll be making progress and then more progress and then more progress. So that's it. I hope y'all found this video helpful. If you like it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And again, I will leave a link to the book in the description box below, and I'll pop up a QR code for those who prefer to scan. So other than that, I'm going to do a shout out for some other great channels that you may be interested in checking out. I hope you all have an amazing day, and I will, of course, talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.